Okay, welcome back to the barn framing videos part 4, and I think this is going to be a real good recap. I'm going to sort of do this for Chief in case they're interested in seeing this. Bottom line is I'm trying to frame a barn, post and beam style construction. So how do I do that? I go to my wall framing. First of all, how's this? What kind of wall is this? Wall type. It's a barn wall, 8 foot on center. We all know how to do that, right? This has first studs 4x8 at 8 foot on center. How did I do that? Plan material. First studs 4x4 at 8 foot on center. It's a name I gave it. Edit it. And so first studs that's the name of it. But here's the keys. I spaced the studs at 96 inches on center, 8 inches on center, and I made them 3.5 inches thick instead of 1.5. Hence the 4x. 4x. Since I'm using 6-inch wide wall, it's going to be a 4x6. This is really a misnomer. It's really a 4x6. But anyway, but the bottom line is to get the thicknesses here. Okay, fine. So that's how we get the 4x8s at. Oh, I guess I lost all my framing, didn't I? And then what I did is I got rid of the fill. Got rid of the fill because it's not studs at 16. I just don't want the fill, and I didn't put any finish on the interior. Okay. So there it is right there. So you can see these are all 4x6s at 8 foot on center. Now, what I also did is it's supposed to be construction. I don't want top plates. I want a big 4x8 up here. And I'm going to put a PC cap or a CCQ cap or something up there. So how did I do that? I go over here to framing walls, and one top plate, 11.5 inches thick. How about if I make it 24 inches thick? 4x24, F12, F12. Yep. See, now you got, wow. What the, that's a top plate. Ooh, that's a top plate there, isn't it? Oh, that makes sense. And that's another reason why this has, the whole point of this is to point out that we need to be able to specify the top plate and the sill plate on a wall-by-wall basis, not necessarily as a default. And that's the exact reason right there. That is the exact reason right there. So if I go back over to here, framing references, and go to wall, instead of 24, 11.25, whatever. So it's a 4x12, okay? F12. So I got this framing right here, right? Now if I just go up a level here, over here in U, and select this and change this to a barn wall 8 foot on center, you're going to see what's going to happen. Okay, so now I got, these things are at 8 foot on center, I guess. And I can combine the wall with the wall above if I want, this kind of a thing. But again, I got a 4x12 top plate on this, and I don't think I want that. Anyway, 4x12 top plate, yeah. And here's the other key, another reason why we need to be able to control the sills on a wall-by-wall basis. Look at this right here. Look at this. I have a double sill plate, right? I don't think they're going to do that. I think they're going to have one sill plate. Now, you must understand that this sill plate is part of the wall. This sill plate, the other one, the wider one, is part of the foundation. So if I go over to here and I select my walls and I zero bottom plates, F12, there. I got that nice sill plate. And notice how this sill plate right here is 8 inches, or 6 inches, whatever the width of this thing is, because how I did that was I went to edit, default settings, foundation, and I changed my sill to, 16. Done. Yep, see, it's a 16-inch wide sill plate now. I don't know why it doesn't line up with it. Anyway, I don't know why it doesn't line up. Anyway, of course, we're not going to do that, but we'll go back here to edit default settings and foundation, edit 8 inches, because it's an 8-inch wall, I guess. Okay? Now, the problem, okay, fine. So that I could choose not to have a sill plate for my wall, but to have a sill plate on top of the foundation, which is part of floor framing, or I could come over here and go to edit defaults, edit default settings, foundation, edit, thickness, 0, done. Now I don't have a sill plate at all. So now do I get my sill plate for my walls? Okay, I'll get my sill plate for my walls. Walls, sill plate, one sill plate, F12. Yeah, now I got a sill plate. The problem with this is this sill plate is the width of the wall, which I get. I get that. I understand that. But technically, I think a lot of times we just go ahead and put a 2x8 sill plate here and then build our 2x4s or 4x6s or 2x6s on top. So the whole problem with this is this barn is part of the same file as the house. So I can't have a house with double top plates and a sill and normal stuff if I have a barn in it. So I have to do the barn in a separate plan. And then if you want interior walls and you want the interior walls instead of posted beam, you just want a sill plate and double studs, you can't do it because the wall top plates and the wall sill plate are controlled per defaults, not on a wall-by-wall basis. And so that kind of sums it up for a CA if they happen to watch this. Oh, well, wait a second. Wow, that's interesting. A little bit ago, this sill plate was going through, and now it's fixed, I guess. Ain't that interesting? I don't know why that happened. Control-C, Control-V, stick it right here. Now it's working. That's so weird, man. I'm telling you, at one time, this sill plate went on through. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Let me try something here. Hang on. Edit, default settings. Foundation, edit. I'm going to go ahead and put a sill on this, okay? 1.5. Done. There it is. Yep. See that? I got that sill plate going through over here, but I don't have it going through over here. Why is that? Why does a sill plate go through here and not here? It's a bug. I'm going to send this in. And here's the next thing I want to point out to you. So that's a bit of a bug. I got a sill plate going through right there. Suppose I come over here. Control-C, copy that. Oh, no, that's not a good door. I'm going to get this good door. Control-C, Control-V, stick it right there. What happens here? Yeah, see, I have to, and this is the next poop, I got to drop this thing down for the bottom minus 12 to drop that into that stem. See how I drop that down right there? And that's what I had to do. Look, look, I love the way this area was built. Love how this area was built, but do framing overview and note how some of the doors have sill plate going through and some do not. Okay, I could show you that. But I wish this area was built like this area, but I don't know how to do it. Because you watch this, floor supply by room foundation below is grayed out, okay? Look at this one, It's not grayed out. It's got this floor underneath. I mean, why isn't this floor supplied by the foundation room below? Well, I'll go down here and select this, and I can't say room supplies floor for the room above. Why not? Why not? I mean, I think I've gone back and forth on this stuff. I've gone back and forth on what is the difference between these two rooms. Well, I'll tell you what the difference was at one time when I first did this. I think I called this a garage, and then I built my foundation, and then I turned it into open to below, and that's how I got what I got. I should be able to change this thing on the fly. I shouldn't have to build my foundation again to get this look. So what I'm saying is Control-C, Control-V. If I put this door right here, note where it built at the floor level, right? Okay, so and these doors over here, they built at the floor level. The floor level is minus 12, minus 12. And see, I got a stem wall top here. I got a stem wall top here. Over here, I don't have a stem wall top. What is the difference? I'm going to post this plan so you guys can take a look at it and play with it. Anyway, that's the end of part 4. End of part 4. I'm going to post this and let you guys play around with it.